And even if you've been a long-time practitioner of the law, it doesn't mean you're experienced in everything, even if it's in your general area, your general bailiwick. So we have a case, tragic case of a Kansas lawyer, been practicing for decades as a criminal lawyer. He takes a criminal case. Sounds right. Except for the fact that this is a capital murder case. He's never tried a murder case, nevertheless a capital murder case. And so he represents, so I'm sure I can represent it. I've done DUIs and burglaries. I could do a capital murder case. What's the difference? Murder's murder. In his mind, he says, actually, at his hearing, that I thought I could, I watched some Perry Mason reruns, Matlock, I've seen every Matlock. I thought I could, bone up and figure this out. He doesn't. The client obviously bears the brunt of this. The defendant is convicted of everything. And when I say everything, I mean things he wasn't charged with. But the jury decided he had kidnapped the Lindbergh baby. He was responsible for both of the Kennedy assassinations. 9/11, he was 3 of the co-conspirators in that. This, and all kidding aside, this defendant gets the death penalty. He files, appeal on the basis of ineffective assistance of counsel. And the Court of Appeals says, oh yeah, your lawyer was extremely ineffective. But we have some lawyers at the bar who will be more effective. And so they bring an action against him to take his license. They take it. Now, partly they take it because this lawyer was intent on giving it to him. And what I mean by that is he shows up to the disciplinary hearing, don't you ever do this, in cosplay. He showed up dressed as Thomas Jefferson, figuring that, hey, how are you going to disbar Thomas Jefferson? Nobody can disbar Thomas Jefferson. What he didn't realize is that he'd been better off if he showed up dressed as Wheezy Jefferson. See, Wheezy Jefferson would be more sympathetic. We would have some sympathy for, she was married to that fool George, all right? But you're not going to be able to cosplay your way through this. It would be a lot better if you were just competent.